Christmas. So it's finally Friday, and me and my friends wanted to check out Christmas decorations. So we came to this mall nearby.
I know that I came last week and had a donut at Krispy Kreme that was really terrible. It was like their Black Forest glazed donut, something like that. It was a Christmas special, but I wanted to try their tiramisu donut, so I've come here again. So let's see if it's good or not. And on my way to here, I broke like one of my nails, and I feel terrible about it. So yeah. So our donut is here. Looks so pretty. I just hope it tastes as good.
It tasted very mid, guys. Don't go for it. Well, today was for disappointments because we came to Barista afterwards, and the food and the coffee here was again terrible. We ordered their iced tiramisu latte and peach iced tea, which was mid only. We also ordered their pasta but got this abomination of a thing instead. The only half decent thing we had there was this mini cone from McD. I got these from Mr. DIY. I forgot to record that. So it's a very cold December morning, and I'm back from my vacations leave. Yeah. So I know that I was only away for a few days, but I miss college so much that it feels so good to be back here. So I'll start my morning with some collagen. So I will enjoy my lunch. Another cold morning in Noida. I know that you can't see the fog. Starting with my day. I swear I have more clothes. It's just that I'm too lazy right now. I don't want to go out because it's too cold out here. But due to FOMO and because my friends are insisting, I will check out the event happening in our society downstairs. So it's sort of a bonfire musical night. So I think I will like it. It won't be any outsiders, so I guess that should be fine. So it will be a very cozy, very homely sort of gathering. They do, however, have a Sufi night planned, which I'm looking forward to. A little peace, a little calm in all the chaos. Yeah, so that's gonna be, I think, my New Year party. I don't think I'm gonna be staying there till late at night. I think I will be back by, I don't know, it's I guess 8:30 or 8:45 right now. I think I'll be back by 9:15, 9:30 max. Yeah, but I'll check out a few stalls, maybe have some food, although I've planned my dinner, healthy dinner. So yeah, let's see what's there. A little fit check sort of while I wait for the lift to arrive. I was wrong. I thought that I could sit out here for an hour or so, but no. It's only been like 7-8 minutes. It's very cold outside, even though they had those heaters that you have at cafe, good heaters, but still it's very cold outside, and I have a sort of solo date planned for tomorrow, so I don't want to get sick, and I cannot take much leaves also this month. I've already taken my fair share of leaves last month. So yeah, I'm heading back to my apartment. I am way too cold right now. So today is 1st of January 2026. So I planned to come out on a solo date. So just my luck, the place that I chose, the first place that I chose, it was way far from my home, and I didn't see it at the time of uh, choosing it. And the second place, which was my backup, I came to that. That's the Autumn House Cafe. The thing is that today is New Year's and it's packed and the waiting is huge, and I'm out on a solo date. That means I'm just one person, so a table for one is practically not possible today. So I'm thinking of improvising a bit, ditching this place, and I see a cute coffee house nearby. Let's see if they have seating for me. So I came to this very cute place that I was talking about, that I saw from across the street. It's called the Haven House Cafe. Haven Coffee House. It's very pretty, and there's not much rush here, so I like that. So the moment I stepped into this property, I got a call from Autumn House. They said that they have a table for me, but I apologize to them that I have left. So yeah, they have a pretty wide menu. I ordered their pumpkin spice hot latte and a vegan pita hummus bowl, although it's not available in vegan, which is fine by me. So I'm waiting for my food right now. I feel part bad, part good because I came here alone and I'm not afraid to eat here alone, even though I get stares, but I'm very comfortable with it. I'm actually enjoying myself. Part bad because there's nobody to click my pictures, and I think I look good today. Yeah. So yeah, I hope there was someone to click my good pictures. But so my coffee just came in and it looks very pretty. Also, this place is so cozy. It's like super cozy. So I don't even need to wear my coat, which I love because I hate layering in winters. I just hate the feeling of heavy clothes on me. So the coffee is super tasty as I reviewed before, and the pita bowl, it's amazing. The hummus is so fresh. I love it. They've also added sunflower seeds, which is like, it just adds to the taste. It's very tasty. For the desserts, I don't want to do much. I don't want any more calories. I think I've had about 800-900 calories already. I think the coffee was 300 calories and the bowl was 400 something. Yeah, so I'm guessing 1,000 calories. So I've got a cute little chocolate chunk cookie. So tiny and so cute. So I'm heading home now. This place was so great. I will recommend this to every one of you. So I had a really good New Year's start, and yeah, I had two of my very favorite things, hummus and pumpkin spice latte. I don't know why people don't like it. The taste of a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit, I don't know, earthy. It just hits the spot right. And in winter, I feel like hot chocolate, it's getting overrated. Pumpkin spice latte is the new hot chocolate, guys. I said it first. So I'll book a cab, head back home because it's super cold. I'll wear my coat. So I reached back home and on time. I had a really great day, like such a good start to this year 2026.